Liam, what are you doing? Are you stacking the ladder on top of the truck? So you're done with ABC. Yeah. Let's see how this one goes. Well, come here. Put it here. Okay. There you go.
No, he's not done.
He learns. Good. That's good. You're learning. Oh God, I don't know how this is gonna go.
I really dislike this kitchen. It's not to the quality that I would like. It's definitely not up to my standards. I don't think this is going to work at all.
What, you want me to help? I don't know. I don't think you can stand that ladder. Say help, mommy. Help. Okay. Let's see. Oops. Oops. Liam, I don't think that's gonna happen.